Well, he's gotten it there. He obviously calculated the only fielders outside the 30-yard circle on the offside.
Getting those Yorkers away beautifully, and that'll go for 4. I mean, that's really quite incredible. That was right up on the leg stump, and he managed to get his foot out of the way. Kohli's playing beautifully.
It's not the first time I've seen him do that. He's been doing that regularly. Malinga, he's
over. Oh, that's bad. Bad for Australia. Great for New Zealand. He got it wrong. McCullum invented. He went outside off stump and he's hoisted him out of the ground. When he saw that going for some...
That's gone. That's a big hit, and I really don't feel that it came off the middle of the bat.
All the wrist. Stump and he's hoisted him out of the ground. When he saw that going for some...
That's gone. That's a big hit, and I really don't feel that it came off the middle of the bat.